In this tutorial, I want to show you some tricks that you can use to enhance your experience on the site. First of all, we have a new image browser called Highslide. Now what Highslide does is it makes it very easy to look at art without opening a new page. So what you do is you just click on a thumbnail and it will be enlarged. You can drag this around, and if the image is larger than your screen, there is a little icon on the bottom right side that says expand to actual size, and what it does is this. You'll notice that this window is within your browser page, so you can actually open a new tab and work on a different tab and not be disturbed by this pop-up, because it's not a pop-up. The second thing that's so neat about this is that you can browse through images very easily. In fact, you just press the right arrow button, or the right arrow key rather, and you'll see he's opening all the images one after one on that page. This is very nice for index pages like this one here, mail. Oops, those were stories. Let's select art. Now what I do is I click on the first picture, and then I just press the right key, the right arrow key, and it browses through all the images in that gallery. Another thing is, aside from moving it freely on the page, you can also open multiple windows, like so. So you could have multiple images on your screen at the same time and move them around and also close them again. So that's Highslide basically. Another neat feature is hidden in your account preferences, which are here. So aside from the obvious stuff, which is the world map and your avatar image and password and secret questions and what have you, there is also some other stuff that you can set. For example, you can set your forum profile, and you can set something called ignored keywords. So what's that? Let's click on it. You will get a list of all keywords on that site. So what do we use it for? For example, there might be stories on the site that you don't like. For example, there is a story involving impregnation, and suppose I don't like that. So what I do is I go to the ignored keywords page and select impregnation, and then I press save. Any of these save buttons on the page will do the trick. And we're done. And you'll notice that these stories will have disappeared from here. If I look to all stories as I did earlier, you will see that there is no story with impregnation anymore. Similarly, if I'm not a fan of, for example, rape, let's say I don't want to see this again ever, I just go here, let's remember the name, Walk in the Woods, and account preferences, ignored keywords, and I select rape. And press save. Now check out what this page shows you. it's gone. You can do this for every keyword you like, or don't like rather, and you won't be bothered by these stories or images anymore. So you could select, for example, cup art and feces stuff and water sports and whatever you don't like, and it's not going to show up for you. So I think this is basically it, except for maybe I find something else. Yeah, one more thing. To get to a user page, this might not be the very best URL to remember. So instead of having to type this, you can also type www.yiffstar.com/user/ for example, Tomo, and you will get to my user page. You can hand out this URL to anyone you like, and you can also send them directly to your gallery by www.yiffstar.com/gallery/Tomo. And here's my gallery. The same thing goes for stories, of course. www.yiffstar stories/Tomo. And there you are. I think this is about it. So have fun on the site.